What's up, Loc Nation? It's your girl Kenyatta here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this super cool, hella easy butterfly plait on locks. So if you'd like to see how it's done, keep on watching. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and grab your 3 sections, and we're just going to start a regular plait. So I did 1 stitch, okay, that's 2 stitch, 3, all right, and once we get to the 3rd stitch, we're going to kind of hold it, and this is where we're going to start to puff out this plait, okay. And the key to doing this puffed out plait is to grab 1 or 2 locks and just pull it out, okay. So I'm going to grab one, see, pulling it out. I'm going to grab this one, pull it out, and I'm going to grab that one. Now for this strand, that's perfect, okay. That is 3 locks that I tugged on to make this plait a bit puffy, all right. And I'm going to move down to the next section. I'm going to puff 1, pull 1, I'm going to pull 2, see, then I'm going to pull 3, just like that, okay. And I'm going to continue the plait. Now you don't want to let this go, so let's go ahead and continue plait, okay. And I came down about 2 stitches, and I'm going to continue to puff out this plait. So I'm going to pull 1 lock, see, like that. I'm gonna pull 2, just like that. Sorry, I touched the camera. Pull 3, just like that, okay. Just gonna move right here, pull 1, 2, pull 1 here, okay. I can even go ahead and pull. So we're moving down the lock. So did a strand, I'm going to hold it, and I'm going to go ahead and pull 1, 2, 3, pull that one out, just tug on it a little, see, make it look a bit puffy there. Go ahead and pull 1 from here. So I'm pulling about 3 locks in each section. You can also do 4, okay, see, just like that. And go further is to pull 1 more right here from the middle, just to make it look puffy. I'm gonna pull that one. See, isn't that cute? I'm gonna continue down the braid, hold it, let it go a little bit, pull on it, tug on it, just like that. And pull 1 from the middle here. See, make that look puffy right there. And I'm going to continue. And the puff is right here, so sorry about that, hit the camera. And we're coming up on the end of this plait, so you're just going to continue a regular stitch just like you're doing a plait. And this is going to be the end So just pull on 2 or 3 of those locks to make that puff out. Just like that. When you get to the end, of course, just go ahead and secure that with a rubber band. I'm going to be using a pipe cleaner. And there you have it. Pretty puffer plait. I'm not sure what I'm going to call this, but there you have it. Isn't that pretty? Now you can use this to do a bun, any type of style that you want. I will be styling these. I wanted to go ahead and do a Loc Technique video showing you guys how to do this puffed out plait. Very, very pretty.